Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the world around us, but the big question remains. How do we make sure this transformation happens responsibly, in a way that creates a future we genuinely want to live in, not a future we fear? Sofigate is the leading Nordic business technology company, and we've built an industrialized approach for using AI in business and public services. And this approach inspired an idea. What if we took the same way of working and invited young people to create new solutions for youth employment? Because young people are at the very center of the conversation about the future of work. So it felt natural to ask them to shape that future, instead of us trying to invent it for them. There's a widely held belief that AI is removing entry-level jobs, making it harder for young people to get started in their careers. But what if we could turn that narrative around? What if AI could actually support young people by helping them identify opportunities, build confidence, and navigate the early stages of working life? And for me, this is also personal. In the late 1990s, when I was under 20 years old, I had the chance to join a group of young people building new digital services for a Finnish media company. And that opportunity shaped the rest of my career. It taught me what it means to be trusted, to be allowed to experiment, and to discover what you're capable of. And I've never forgotten how much that mattered. We'll give the 5 participants the toolkit and a structured way of working, but what they create is ultimately up to them. They'll explore how AI can support young people at different stages of job seeking and career development, and create something we can't even imagine right now. And along the way, they'll learn not only how to use industrial AI tools, but how to test ideas, refine them, and understand what makes AI solutions genuinely helpful for someone trying to find direction in their working life. We see AI as something else than a job search or resume writer bot. It can act as a coach, a sparring partner, a source of new perspective, something that helps people see possibilities they might not have seen on their own. And I've experienced this myself through my own use of AI, by seeing beyond my own biases and the expectations of the old world. While it's good to dream big, we're not expecting to solve youth unemployment in 6 months. But for us, success means seeing how the young people we recruit use AI tools and learn from what they're able to create using our industrialized AI approach. It means demonstrating how accessible powerful AI tools can be and how they can be used meaningfully. Instead of producing slop, I believe well-made AI can support humans in our tasks and decision-making. And I look forward to seeing what that means in practice when applied to a complex challenge like youth unemployment. If we can rethink even a few parts of the employment path and help young people who feel stuck find new confidence, find new paths forward, that alone would be a significant achievement.